It's absolutely essential that you have professional advice before you arrive in the UK for many, many, many reasons. One of which I can say is firstly to make sure your capital and your assets are properly formulated so that you don't attract more taxation in the UK than necessary. Well, I think the important point that I would emphasise here is that whilst there's a lot of information available on the internet, including HMRC's own website, it isn't personal to you. And very often it's a bit like buying a suit. There are little oddities that need to be tailored. And very often, if you take one fits all, it doesn't work. There'll be something that doesn't work for you or you don't understand. And not understanding is as important as not doing it. Because the point here is if you don't understand the implications of your actions, you could let the tax tail wag the dog. A lot of people will do it themselves, but they don't always get it right, and they don't always get the most efficiency of their work. And the danger now is HMRC have penalties which range from a minimum of 100% to 400%. And these penalties can be both fixed as well as actual tax values. And investigations are prevalent with HMRC at present. Coronavirus has made a big change to a lot of people's lives. We deal with a number of clients who have been stuck overseas, for example, cannot come back to the UK, and their tax position has changed because of it. We guide them through that process. And also we have a situation where people would like to leave the UK for business purposes and can't. So they have to make more rapid use of technology, and we have to react to that basis so that we can support them and deal with their taxes and planning accordingly. Well, that's an important point because a lot of countries tend to treat a family as a group unit. In the UK, we're treated individually. So in other words, the wife is separate to the husband. They're taxable independently of the husband. Therefore, there is planning opportunities that lend themselves to that situation. And the other important point is a number of jurisdictions, for example, will have wealth taxes, which are annual. And the value of the wealth tax will be based on company assets, not on individual assets. Various complications that clarity is needed when coming to the UK. Not usually at all, because the UK will has to deal with UK-based assets. And if you have assets that are situated outside of the UK, they can be dealt with by a foreign will, but the foreign will not deal with UK-based assets. So if you've got a bank account, a property, you have to think about having a separate last will and testament in the UK. It's www.davisllp.co.uk.